Today we're talking about Flipgrid, and on this is the page that educators and teachers will see whenever they log in. Um, this says that your account is active, so your students can access it, and this is your flip code, and that's required so that your students can log in and see your page. This is all the topics that you have. If you want to do a new one, then all you have to do is click new topic. Right here is this shows whether your topics are active or inactive. If you were to click, well, if it's inactive, then the students can't see it. See, it says the grid has no topics. This is what the students would see whenever they log in. If I were to change this to active and then go to the student page, then it would now say, let's connect, that this Flipgrid is available. So then students would click on this little green plus, and they would log in with their account.